When building Svelte applications, state management with stores is a fundamental skill. Both Claude and ChatGPT can generate Svelte store code, but their approaches differ noticeably. Claude tends to produce more idiomatic Svelte code, using writable stores with custom methods that feel native to the framework. ChatGPT often leans toward more generic JavaScript patterns, sometimes missing Svelte-specific optimizations like auto-subscriptions or store batching. In a head-to-head test writing a simple counter store with derived values, Claude generated cleaner, more concise code with proper Svelte reactivity in mind. ChatGPT's version worked but included unnecessary boilerplate and less intuitive state updates. For complex state shapes like nested objects or arrays, Claude better handled deep reactivity while ChatGPT occasionally produced stale closure issues. The takeaway: both models can write Svelte stores, but Claude currently shows stronger awareness of Svelte's reactive idioms and store conventions.